just taking a stroll in my garage, and then all my camping gear follow me. This has inspired me to create an organizer for camping gear. So when I was thinking about my organizer, I decided to make individual shelves and spaces for all my sleeping bags, because you saw I had like 6 or 7 of them. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to make little lines right here about where I need to cut to make those 1 foot by 1 foot holes. So I'm gonna do this one. So that's okay. Move over. Right now I am setting a cutting guide so I can use the router to create little notches called dados, so I can slide shells in there, and so that'll support them instead of just putting them in and just screwing them, because that wouldn't be very supportive. Currently, I have finished the data holes, and I am drilling pilot holes so I know where the screws will go when I put the cabinet together. Currently, I am making measurements for dados to put sleeping bag dividers in, so the sleeping bags don't get mixed up and then fall out. Now I just need to drill pilot holes and then I'll put this thing together. So I noticed the shelf was a little bit wobbly when we built it. So I decided to buy some L brackets to help the stability. So what they're going to do is they are going to just slide it in here like this, and then they are going to hold it together, and they're going to stabilize it a bit more so the shelves don't bow down.